How to sell your house to an investment company. Selling a house can be a daunting task, but selling to an investment company can make the process quicker and hassle-free. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to effectively sell your home to an investment company, ensuring a smooth and profitable transaction. First, research and identify reputable investment companies in your area. Look for companies with good reviews, a solid track record, and proper licensing. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or real estate professionals to ensure you're dealing with a trustworthy buyer. Once you've identified potential buyers, prepare your home for sale. Although investment companies often purchase properties as is, making small repairs and cleaning can make your property more appealing, potentially leading to better offers. Next, reach out to the investment companies and request offers. Most companies will evaluate your property quickly and provide you with a cash offer. Be ready to provide necessary documentation, such as your property's deed, records of taxes, and any lease agreements if applicable. Take the time to compare the offers you receive. While cash offers from investment companies might be slightly lower than market value, they offer the benefit of a quick, hassle-free sale without the need for extensive showings or negotiations. Once you've chosen the best offer, carefully review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand any contingencies, timelines, and responsibilities on both sides before signing the agreement. Work with the investor to coordinate the closing process. Investment companies typically handle most of the paperwork and legal aspects, making the process easier for you. Be prepared to vacate the property by the agreed closing date. Remember, selling to an investment company can save you time and effort, especially if you need to sell quickly or want to avoid the complexities of the traditional real estate market.